All right, Rankin family. So I have an absolute treat for you folks today. We are going to be taking a look at a beautiful Partners in Building property right here near Houston, Texas. This property has a lot of key features. You're going to love this property. And of course, stay tuned to the end because you don't want to miss a special feature about this particular lot. Of course, if you want more information, link in the description below, and let's go take a look at it. All right, family. So I'm excited about this particular property. This has been one of the best properties that I have showcased on this channel, in my opinion. And of course, as soon as we walk up, we're going to have the circular driveway. This is going to be over an acre. So you're going to have plenty of land in the front and the back. And as you can tell, Partners in Building, they do a fantastic job on their front porch. Of course, you have the cathedral-like ceilings, you have that stone brick plus the stucco, and it's absolutely magnificent. So even walking into the property, you're going to notice luxury and elegance. But the first thing we're going to do is start right here to the left. And this is going to be one of the first bedrooms right here. So as you can see, you have your high ceilings, plus you have your recessed lighting on the top with the clear story windows. Plenty of space in here. And of course, even in the rooms when you do have the high ceilings, you just have that illusion of a lot of space. And it's absolutely gorgeous. So of course, this could be the guest room or the kids' room. And then it does have the bathroom that's attached to it. You have plenty of space in here, tile flooring, and then even walking into the walk-in shower. Of course, you have plenty of space. You have that nice design on the backsplash. And of course, if you're a returning viewer, welcome back, of course. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single day from folks looking to buy and sell real estate in the greater Houston area. So of course, if you're in that situation now or in the future, you can reach out to the information in the description below and we'll definitely get you taken care of. And of course, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm bringing content just like this every single week and you don't want to miss it. So as you can even tell, it's absolutely beautiful. So some of the details that you'll pay attention to, even to the lighting fixtures, even to the sink, they just have a lot of key details. Now, of course, this is a custom home, so they really don't have planned names for them because they want to make sure they tailor it to individual likings. And as you can see, even in the great room, you have the beautiful wagon wheel chandelier, the nice cozy fireplace with the tray ceilings and the exposed beam on top. And even going into the kitchen, look how elegant that is. Absolutely gorgeous. You cannot stop by this property and just appreciate the beauty of it. Of course, you have the farmhouse sink with the custom cabinetry in here. And then even this property, I mean, you're going to have so much room that it's ridiculous. I mean, even going into the dining room, you can see that you have plenty of space to host gatherings, to host the family, and even the walk-in pantry. Can you imagine having windows in the walk-in pantry? So in case you want everyone from the outside to see how many groceries you have, that would be a plus for you. And then even going into here, of course, this is plenty of space. I mean, you even have an island in here. You have the sink with the mud house. So essentially you have the quartz countertops. You have just absolute space in here. This would be perfect for huge families. Even if it's a family of 4, 5, 6, I mean, you can get up to probably 10 people in this house and have them sitting there comfortably. Even coming down, so you see the chandeliers coming down from the ceiling. Absolutely beautiful, super stunning. And then now going into another living room, slash family room right here. You can have a lot of the family over here. Of course, you have enough space for an L-shaped couch. And then you can even put on there an 85-inch TV, watch your favorite shows. And even with the higher ceilings, you just have plenty of space. And then of course, this will be another bathroom. So they did put granite countertops in here. And then of course you have your standing shower, got the window going in right there with the tile backsplash. And then of course you have your shower bench right there to the left. So like I said, I mean, Partners in Building is definitely one of my favorite builders because of the custom designs. It's tailored to individual likings, and of course some of the details you may say, hey, I could do without that, or I really don't like that. Well, they do a great job of listening to their customers, and so that way they can design it to your satisfaction. And then even going into here, so this is a moderate sized room. Of course, you have the carpet in here, plus you have the windows with the 5-inch baseboards. And even just looking at it, you have plenty of space in here. So like I said, I mean, they probably had a queen size bed in here, and you still have a lot of walk-in room. Plus you have the bathroom that's attached to it, again with the granite countertops and the tile backsplash. And it's just absolutely beautiful. Even coming down from the lighting fixtures to a lot of the other upgrades, you just have plenty of custom designs without a doubt. And then of course you have your nice size walk-in closet. And then of course, once we go outside, you'll see a lot of these other rooms and things like that. So let me know in the comments as well below. I mean, what do you like about the layout of the home? Do you feel like it's a lot of space that you like, or is it a lot of wasted space? I mean, what would you change? What would you keep? I definitely love to hear your feedback in the comments below. And since we're on that topic, if you like the video so far, hit that like button. It really helps me out, motivates me to keep bringing these great property tours just for you. And then as you can see, you have your shower tub combo in here with the standing shower. And also in the comments below, let me know, do you like the shower tub combo, or would you rather just have the standing shower? Of course, in a primary bedroom, you definitely want to have the soaking tub at least, as well as a standing shower. I think it's always great to have both of those, just in case there may be some long days that you have that you just need to soak in the tub and forget about the world. And of course, right there to the right would be the study. I know there were some folks in there occupying it, so I wanted to be respectful of them, but just know that this does come with a study. Absolutely beautiful primary bedroom. You have your tray ceilings on the top, plus your chandelier coming down, and as well you can see the amount of natural light that comes in here is absolutely amazing. So even when I pan over here, you can see how much room you have in here. Of course, the color tones are magnificent. I think it does a great job of matching the flooring. And then of course you have your ensuite with your double sliding doors, nice oversized soak-in tub right there. Plus you have your super shower, his and her sink as well, with the tray ceilings on the top. And if you notice, even the back of the backsplash right there, you have that stone, and it adds a nice touch to the property. Of course, you have your double shower heads right here, your wand, your shower wand, and then even just going in here, look how much luxury that is. Absolutely gorgeous. And then even when we're walking into the walk-in closet, look how huge this is. Amazing. You even have a bench right there. You have plenty of storage space just to put all your clothes and put all your shoes and accessories. You'll probably need to be adding more and more clothes just to fill up the amount of space in here, which is perfect. You can just have sectioned off for whatever clothes that you have depending on the season. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this is one of those ones that you definitely want to take care of. If anybody purchases a property like this, they will make sure that they have the family over here to appreciate the beauty. And then we have a little storage closet right here as well. And I really cannot wait to take you outside so that way you can see what's going on. And as you can see, all the windows all along the property as well. Of course, you may want to put some automatic shutters on there. Just sometimes you may just want to have complete privacy. But even walking outside, look at this beautiful pool right here. Absolutely gorgeous. And then going in there, you have your cathedral-like ceiling with your exposed beam as well. So this is perfect. I mean, can you even imagine just having family reunions here? You'll be able to fit 60, 70 people in here, bring the whole family out. Of course, you have your built-in grill right there, and then they can stay in the guest house. So you're gonna have a little mother-in-law suite right here. Look how beautiful this is right here. has its own kitchen, custom kitchen. They didn't skip a beat in here. You have your custom cabinetry with your pantry. So really, if your mother-in-law wants to stay here forever, shoot, she won't even need to worry about anything. She has the full kitchen. She has the stainless steel appliances, her living room right here. They even put a TV in here so that way she'll be cozy and she can spy on everybody in the house. Absolutely gorgeous. So of course you have your kitchen with your living room, and then right here you have your little coffee bar area. And then even going into the bedroom, you have plenty of space. They even added the tray ceilings with the LED ceiling fans in here. Again, they didn't skip a beat on any of the windows, so that way there's plenty of natural light in here as well. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this is a stunning property. This is one of those ones that, of course, you will appreciate time and time again. It won't be one of those things where you take it for granted. You know that you're living in luxury in a property just like this. You even have your huge walk-in closet. They even added some windows for extra natural light in there as well. Plenty of space. You can put a full body mirror in there. And then of course, even going in here, this will be the entry to the bathroom again. So you have two entries to the bathroom, just in case some folks are hanging out in here and they don't want to go through the room, they could just access the bathroom right there. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. And if you notice, even on top of the cabinets, they do have some of the LED lighting just to add a natural effect as well. And then again, like I said, this is on over an acre size lot. So if you remember coming into the front yard, you had plenty of space in there as well. And then even in the backyard, you have plenty of space to maybe add some trampolines and things like that. So this is one of the most stunning properties. Again, this is by Partners in Building. And of course, this is one of those ones that you will absolutely appreciate. So really, if you found this one helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, because I'd love to see you again for the next one.
All right, family, I hope you absolutely love this property tour. Of course, if you did and you want more information, hit the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.